Hello, everybody. It's Larry, and welcome to today's 2 and 2. So this one's going to be a bit different. What I want to do is tell you about some other YouTube channels on genealogy that you may or may not be already watching, and I have a different concept of things. First, as you know, my goal is to help you. It's not about being big. It's big's nice and fun to talk about. It's water cooler talk. It's like an ethnicity report, but it's not anything that is my goal. My goal is to help you get that information. Well, Devin and Andy over at Family History Fanatics, they have a great channel. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. There's a lot of great videos there. And the other one is Connie Knox over on Genealogy TV. She has a lot of great videos in depth. My favorite one so far is one she did an interview with Family Search. And I really got a lot of useful information out of that and a new appreciation on Family Search. There's a lot of great videos out there. I feel bad that I haven't really been able to watch either one of them now in about 5 or 6 months. But it's not because they don't have good quality videos. They do. They absolutely do. And I want to give kudos back to Devin and Andy. Look now, they got 33,000 subscribers. Wow, MyHeritage has 37, so that's pretty significant. And Connie's trailing right there with 23. That's really, really good. Now, you're still not to the ancestry level, but there's the MyHeritage bar. And look at us. We have 9,300 subscribers. And then Family Tree DNA was 7. So, we're bigger than some. We get to make an honorable mention. We get a bronze deal, which ironically, if we hit 10,000, I become a bronze YouTuber. So, hey folks, pass it around. Tell people to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, why haven't you? It's free. You want Christmas to come to your house, right? So click subscribe, click the like button, pass it around, and don't forget to check out Connie and those at Family History Fanatics.